Hello aspirants, welcome to Ekam IAS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important ambitious port project that was initiated by India in the recent times, that is in Vadhavan. Vadhavan is in Maharashtra. So we are going to discuss what is the significance of this particular port project, why cabinet is so ambitious about it. All these aspects will be discussing here. So first thing you need to understand is recently Union Cabinet has given approval for developing Vadhavan project. So Vadhavan is the name of the port project. So they wanted to develop this as one of the top 10 ports in the entire world. So this is going to be the second port in Maharashtra, and it is going to be the largest port also. So if it comes into operation, this is again going to be the largest port. So what is the first port already there in Maharashtra? You know, Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust you have. So this is the largest port so far in operations. But now in case if this is getting operationalized, then it is going to occupy the very first position. Then another importance is why we are going to develop this project is, you know, already India is blessed with almost 7,500 kilometers of coastline. So in order to get advantage of this important coastline, not only this, we also have almost 65% of our trade volume. 65% of our trade volume is also through ports and shipping. So that is the importance it had in economy, especially in the infrastructure development. So that is why government wants to develop it. And another thing you have to keep in mind is this is going to be developed as all-weather port. All-weather means it can be operational in all the seasons or all time. There is no disturbance because of it. And it is going to be creating 12 lakh jobs. And also it is going to handle a cargo of almost 298 million tons of shipments can be handled as part of this project. Then not only this, interestingly, this project is going to be part of two international corridors which are aiming to increase India's access with respect to West Asian countries or even European countries. So what is the project we are going to discuss is India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor. You know, this was announced on the sidelines of G20 summit which was hosted in India recently. So as part of the project, we have launched India Middle East, where you are connecting UAE, Saudi Arabia, Israel and other countries with the European countries. From Greece, it is going to connect with France, Germany and other countries. So this is the ambitious project where we are going to have connection with India from West Asia and also Europe. And this is going to be an important role because here if you see it is starting from Mumbai. So this particular Vadhavan port is expected to be 140 kilometers away from Mumbai. That is another advantage where this can play an important role in the IMEC. Then another project this is going to be part is International North-South Transport Corridor. This is an ambitious connectivity corridor planned by Russia, Iran as well as India. So this is going to be part of this particular project also. Then you also have to remember that Union government has launched Sagarmala project to develop ports in integrated way and in sustainable way. That is also an initiative. And if you know, let me know in the comment section who is the current minister for ports and shipping. Then you also have to remember how many ports are there in India. Generally, if you have remembered, we have certain categories of ports, like for example, major ports under the central government control and minor ports under the respective state governments. So if you have remembered, we have almost 13 major ports in India. So if you see, we have Kandla port, that is in Gujarat. Then you have Mumbai port and Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust you have. Then you have in Goa port, Marmagova port, you have Mangalore, Kochi, and this is a minor port, and you have Tuticorin, Ennore and Chennai. So 3 ports are there from the state of Tamil Nadu with the highest number. Then you have Visakhapatnam, which is the natural port, and you know, and we also have Paradeep in Orissa and Haldia in West Bengal. So these are the 13 major ports we have so far. So this is what you have to know from the UPSC or any other competitive examination perspective. So this is all with respect to this video. In this video, we have discussed about the Navadan port project by Government of India, why it is going to develop this, because to enrich the benefits from the coastline and also to prosper from the economic trade. So this is very important because we need to increase our presence in the Indian Ocean to counter China especially. So for these issues, we are going to have as one solution in the form of developing a world-class port project with the name Vadhavan in Maharashtra. So this is with respect to this. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.